Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's have a look at the price chart of HIVE. And this is the monthly time frame. The current price is 45 cents, 0.53. I want to mention that I will apply solely technical analysis and candlestick analysis. So I'm not going to talk about the fundamentals behind HIVE ecosystem. So this is just a technical analysis. So let me start. Of course, I want to remind you that to some extent we're very familiar with the price chart of HIVE because I analyze it at least, let's say, or once a month. So this is the monthly chart. We had a solid price increase in the first half of the previous year. Then in the summer, we had some kind of decline or correction. Then the price skyrocketed and it posted a sequence of new all-time highs in October and November. Then the correction in the cryptocurrency market started and we had a bearish candlestick in December, in January. These candlesticks, they had lower highs and lower lows. After that, in February, we had some period of stabilization in the cryptocurrency market along Black Dodge form, followed by a small bullish candlestick. But unfortunately, a bearish candlestick formed in April, and it covered with its body the body of the previous candlestick. So that was a bearish engulfing. We had similar candlestick formation in the monthly chart in many major cryptocurrencies. So to some extent, we're familiar with this candlestick formation that took place in April. So this is a bearish engulfing. After that, we see that we have another bearish candlestick that has a maximum below the previous ones and a minimum below the previous ones. Also, I want to remind you that till the end of the month, we have 2 more days. Theoretically, this candlestick may change, but we will have a local low below the previous one. So at the moment, according to these candlesticks, we have a clear signals that the bears are dominating the market. So we have this, let's say, bearish sentiment according to the monthly chart. Next, this is the weekly chart. This is the price increase that took place in the second half of 2021. Then a correction started. We had some kind of stabilization here, let's say, or consolidation earlier this year. But unfortunately, the price exited the consolidation in the downward direction. And since the end of April, there has been a sequence of mainly bearish candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. So this is a confirmation of the bearish sentiment. However, if we inspect the last 3 candlesticks, and this is the candlestick for the current week, today is Sunday, so probably we will have something similar at the end of the day, but let's wait and see. But if we inspect these 3 candlesticks, yes, they have descending maximums, so this is a bearish signal, but they also have an, let's say, a sequence. There is a sequence of ascending to some extent minimum. So these candlesticks and this candlestick and this candlestick, they have local lows above this one. So I would say that this is a small signal that probably within this range there are some bulls that are buying or accumulating HIVE. That's why there is some support here, and these are levels below the psychological level, let's say 45 cents. So this is some kind of support, potential support range for the price of HIVE. But once again, I will say that a bullish signal is in the chart only if we see some sequence of candlestick, preferably of course bullish candlesticks with ascending maximums and ascending minimums. At the moment, we don't have such kind of, let's say, candlestick formation. That's why it's obvious that at the moment the bears are controlling the market in the weekly chart as well. Later I will get back to the weekly chart to remind you about the cup and handle candlesticks, candlestick or technical formation. Now let's move on to the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart, 3 moving averages. The price is below all these 3 moving averages. The first one is the 30-day moving average. So the monthly moving average, the price is below this moving average. This is the 3-month or 1-quarter moving average, the price is below this moving average as well, and the 1-year moving average is above the price as well. So this is a bearish signal. So the price is below all these 3 moving averages. Also, I would like to remind you that we have this bearish moving average distribution. This is the 30-day moving average. Then in the middle we have the 1-quarter moving average, and then is the 1-year moving average. In this case, the most optimistic scenario is some kind of consolidation or sideways movement or range. Of course, at the moment, we see that we're still far away from such kind of scenario. But if all these moving averages start moving sideways, then we will see some kind of broad consolidation. But this is just a potential optimistic scenario at the moment. We still don't have confirmation, any confirmation that this kind of scenario will take place, but I just wanted to highlight it. Okay, and of course, according to the daily chart, we see that the price is testing, let's say, the range of the previous local low that formed last summer. So theoretically, this is some kind of, I would say, potential support for the price. Next, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. We had this solid price increase last year, followed by a correction. Then the price started consolidating. So actually, this is the consolidation range I mentioned even in the weekly time frame. Unfortunately, after this double top, the price has exited the range in the downward direction, and now we're below this consolidation range. However, if the price receives some kind of support and it rebounds, I won't be surprised if the price tries to enter the range again. So levels close to 70-75 cents are easily achievable if a rebound takes place. But at the moment, of course, this is not a buy signal, I would say, according to the technical analysis. Of course, if there are people who believe in this ecosystem, they think that the fundamentals are strong, the ecosystem is developing, improving, and so on. Of course, the technical analysis is not that relevant to their, let's say, accumulation strategy. But today, once again, I want to highlight that I talk about only technical analysis. So this is what we have in the key major time frames. Mainly, we have a confirmation of the bearish sentiment. Yes, everything may change. That's why we have to constantly keep an eye on the price chart of HIVE and definitely on the price chart of the cryptocurrencies that we're interested in. Now, let's get back to the weekly chart. Okay, we've been talking a lot about this cup and handle candlestick or technical formation. So this is the cup, this is the handle, this is the upper level of this technical formation. Then we had a price increase. The price surpassed the upper line of this cup and handle candlestick formation. It started declining in the last months of 2021, or in December actually. It hit the key support level or the upper part of this cup and handle candlestick formation. We had some kind of small rebounds or consolidation, and the price was not able to rebound again and surpass this local high, so we didn't receive a buy signal based on this cup and handle candlestick formation. Now, the price has dropped below this critical level, and this is a bearish signal. Of course, it may turn out that this is a fake bearish signal, and in order to say that this is a fake bearish signal, we should see the price above this line again. As long as we're below this support line, the bull should be really very cautious, because it simply, let's say, invalidates the bullish formation or the bullish potential signal based on this cup and handle candlestick formation, because once again we're below this line. That's it for now. We will keep an eye on the price chart of HIVE. Thank you for watching. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Enjoy the weekend. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.